SEO Toolkit. To find SEO Toolkit, just select it in the top left corner menu. It will be the first one in the list. SEO Toolkit contains 5 main parts. Competitive research, which contains tools and reports where you can have a look at any domain, including your competitor's domain, in terms of traffic, organic keywords and positions, or do benchmarking in keywords or backlinks. Keyword research, where you can find related keywords or any kind of long tail keywords, look at organic and paid results, and evaluate keyword difficulty. Link building, where you can do both backlink analysis of any competitor's domain and benchmarking, or analyze your domain, both existing backlink profile to find the toxic backlinks and get rid of them, or to find the best prospects and acquire them to improve your backlink profile. Rank tracking, where you can monitor your and your competitor's performance for a target set of keywords across any location. And the last section is on page and tech SEO, where you can do both technical website audit to investigate technical issues and solve them, or get ideas on SEO optimization of your landing pages for a target set of keywords. The first report that you see in SEO Toolkit is the SEO Dashboard that provides us with a helicopter view on any domain which was pre-configured as a project. So for example, here we're looking at booking.com, and in SEO Dashboard we got both data about traffic, which can be taken also from Google Analytics in case you connect this account and Google Search Console, and Semrush data about backlinks, keywords, technical issues, geographical traffic distribution, keyword positions, trend, so on and so forth. This is a customizable dashboard, so you can move widgets anyhow you would like this dashboard to see. So let's move up to the competitive research. Here the first report that we will look at is the traffic analytics. Traffic analytics provides us with the clickstream data. It's data on real users' browsing history. So here we can type in any domain, and look at its traffic metrics like in Google Analytics, including visits, page per visit, average visit duration, bounce rate. Look at the historical trend. The data is provided with the historical information group month by month for any location and any devices. So you can look both at desktop, mobile, or all devices together. You can look at one domain itself or do benchmarking. So it's a good option to compare up to 5 domains in terms of traffic metrics. Look at different traffic sources and benchmark in them. Or go into details about one domain here to investigate both traffic sources and detailed information about most traffic bringing sites, the search engines where site is performing, or social networks which bring traffic to this website. You can have a look also on traffic geographical distribution, or analyze where do visitors of this website go after booking.com in the destination sites tab. The last tab is the subdomains. Here we see the distribution among subdomains of booking.com, which one is the most popular, which one is the less popular here. The next report is called Organic Research. It's the main report in Semrush Analytics. It provides us with keywords and positions data. So here you can analyze the best working keywords for your competitor. In any location, we have more than 130 different countries. On device, like desktop or mobile databases, and historical data is available, again grouped month by month. On the overview, we see main metrics like how many keywords this domain is ranking for, which is the estimated organic traffic which comes to this domain from this number of keywords by keywords, CTR, and keyword volume. All of these metrics are taken into consideration to calculate the estimated traffic. And estimated traffic costs that shows how much it would cost if Booking.com will decide to pay for these keywords to gain this traffic in paid search. We have historical trends here, top keywords, and data on served features available as well. The main report here is called Positions. Here we can find Booking.com keywords. This is the main table of this report. So we see keyword, its current and previous position difference, keyword volume, the number of monthly searches in the selected database, keyword difficulty that shows how hard it would be to compete for this keyword in organic research, average CPC, the result URL, estimated traffic comes from this keyword, so it shows how important is this keyword for this domain. Costs and other metrics, of course, you can hover the mouse on this and see the tip, and you can also look at the last update. So when was the last moment when the keyword was updated? The most popular keywords are updated on a daily basis, less popular or on weekly or monthly basis. If you want to find the most interesting keywords in this 4.5 million, you can use advanced filters, which is quite handy, where you can filter out keywords by containing some word or by volume, CPC, KD, so any of these metrics. And after this filtering, you can export the data to both XLS or CSV file. In position changes, you can find which keywords increase their positions, which decreased, which are new keywords for this domain, and which keywords this domain lost. The competitors tab shows us domains who share the same keywords with Booking.com. So these are the list of domains. They are sorted by the competition level. That was calculated by the ratio of common keywords for these domains to all organic keywords. So for example, we see that Expedia.com has 1.2 million of common keywords with Booking.com. We can click here and we are instantly moved to the keyword gap, so it's the next tool in this toolkit. Here we can do benchmarking by analyzing up to 5 domains in terms of both organic, paid, or PLA keywords. So by default we're looking at the common keywords of these two domains. Means that we see a list of keywords, we see position of Booking.com for this keyword and Expedia.com for this keyword. So you can do benchmarking and analyze in which keywords you are losing this competition and which keywords you're winning. Of course, advanced filters are available at the service here too, and exporting option is available as well. You can enable charts to see the overview picture, and if we've looked at the common keywords, we can also find the unique keywords for booking, for example. For this case, we need to select unique to the first domain keywords. Click Go. In this case, we'll find keywords that Booking.com is ranking for organically and Expedia.com is not ranking for at all. So it means that we get a position for Booking and we get a dash here in the Expedia.com column. So it's missing opportunities for Expedia. Interesting case to use this option is to compare one domain with itself in terms of organic and paid keywords. For example, we can compare Booking with Booking, select common keywords, organic versus paid. So you can understand for which keyword you got already good organic position, but you're still paying for them. So maybe it's the place where you can save some money, maybe not, and you need to keep paid position as well. So it's up to your decision, of course. As any other analytical reports, this tool is available for many countries, for different devices, and for different historical periods. The backlink gap is quite similar to keyword gap. It just allows us to compare domains in terms of common referring domains. So we can type in up to 5 domains and look which referring domains are common, which are unique, and do benchmarking in terms of backlinks. That's it in brief about competitive research. So let's move on to the keyword research. Here we have the keyword overview. It's the first report where you can type in any keyword. Let it be hotels. Click search. Select the database. Select the historical period and device type. And look at the main metrics like keyword volume, number of results, paid data like CPC at paid competition. Look at phrase match in related keywords and look at top 100 organic results and top ad copies. You can find phrase match keywords and related keywords and look at the ad history, but if you want to make a keyword research to find more keywords on this topic, it's better to use a new tool that is called Keyword Magic, where you can type in a seed keyword, let it be hotels, as it was before. Select the database and click search. This tool, Keyword Magic, contains more than 7.7 billions of keywords worldwide, so it's a unique keyword database with really huge vocabulary and unique semantical structure. So for hotels in the US, as you see, we have more than 5 million keyword suggestions grouped on this group. So you can go to near, for example, then go to airport, and for example, let it be international. It means that we're looking at keywords containing international, airport, near, hotels. And these are the variations containing these keywords. You can also use filters here to find the most relevant keywords for your case, or even switch to questions to find out what the people ask about this topic, about hotels. It's a good option to be prepared and optimized for voice search on to get into featured snippet, because that's what Google show for questions quite often. And again, you can use this navigation, you can use filters, and you can click on plus if you want to take this keyword and use it in future. By clicking on plus, the keyword is added to the keyword analyzer. The keyword analyzer is a list of selected keywords where you can update metrics on demand, because as the Keyword Magic has a huge keyword database, more than 7.7 billions of keywords already, and it's increasing the data set. We do not update each keyword on a daily basis, but we have an option to update it on demand to get the fresh data on every keyword. After the update is finished, you get the full fresh information, including top 10 organic competitors here. You can export this data as well, or send it to work with these keywords in other tools, for example, to track your performance of these keywords. The keyword difficulty tool helps us to compare up to 100 keywords. For example, hotels and let it be motels. Motels. No, motels. That'll be hotels and hostels, for example. So we see that keyword difficulty for hotels is much bigger, but it has bigger volume and other features are triggered in the SERP. You can click on different difficulty to find the top 20 ranking domains for this keyword in the US database in this case. Organic Traffic Insight is the tool that combines data from Semrush, Google Analytics, and Google Search Console to solve non-provided problems. So it gives you non-provided keywords that bring real traffic to your landing page in case you have access to the Google Analytics and Google Search Console. So let's move to the link building section. Link building contains 4 tools. The first one is the backlink analytics. It's our own backlink database that contains a huge amount of backlinks. So this is the total number of backlinks that we have right now, and its number is increasing. This is the number of URLs we refresh and crawl every day. So you just type in any domain, including your competitor's domain, and look at the backlink profile of this domain. So you see the total number of backlinks. You can look at these backlinks here, look at the anchor tags, referring domains, IP addresses, and so on. Or you can do benchmarking. For example, let's compare Booking.com to TripAdvisor and Expedia. So you see that Booking has more total backlinks, but TripAdvisor has more referring domains, which is more important in this case, and more referring IPs, and as a result the authority score, that is the main metric shows the domain strength, is a little bit higher. Its authority score is the quite unique metric because it combines the information about domain score and trust score calculated by backlinks, number of backlinks and referring domains, and information from traffic analytics, the clickstream data that I showed in the beginning, and number of organic keywords. So it's the complex metrics that shows the domain authority. You can look at the authority trend and benchmark the historical trends against several domains here. So after analysis, you can work with your own domain in Backlink Audit. It's the tool where you can have a look at your own backlink profile of any domain that was pre-configured and find out the toxic backlinks and get rid of them. So I'm opening the Booking.com project, and I see that on the overview the overall toxic score is low, so they have a quite good backlink profile. In the Audit tab, I'll see the full list of referring domains here. For each of them, I see the toxic score that is calculated by several markers, and we highlight why do we decide that this backlink is potentially toxic. In advanced filters, you can see the full list of toxic markers, so it's more than 37 different checks that we do for each and every backlink. And after this analysis, you can decide whether you want to keep this referring domain or you want to get rid of it. And in this case, you have two options: to remove and to disavow. If you select to remove, it is moved to the remove list, where you can, if in case you connect your Gmail account, you can send a letter to the site owner and look after the status of this email. Or you can move a backlink to the disavow, and here easily create a disavow file to upload it to Google Disavow. In Lost and Found, you can monitor your backlink profile, look at the new broken and lost backlinks that you have. The other important thing that you can do in Backlink Audit is the integration. As here, you can connect Google Search Console to get more backlinks from Google Search Console, connect Google Analytics to take real traffic into consideration while we calculate toxic score, and connect Majestic, in case you have Majestic account, to get more backlinks from this system as well. So we've covered Backlink Audit. Let's have a look at Link Building tool. Link building is the tool that helps you to acquire the best compelling backlinks. Let's have a look at the same domain, Booking.com. This is the overview, shows how many prospects, like ideas, that we suggest to you. Again, you can connect Google Search Console here to make these suggestions more clear, and connect your Gmail account that will help you to work directly from link building. So in Prospects tab, we see the full list of suggestions that are called prospects. For each of them, we show you the rating that is calculated by the several metrics like domain quality, domain relevance, and domain health. And the prospect list is sorted by the rating. Once you decided you want to go with this backlink, you can click on plus or select one of the outreach strategy, and after it the prospect is moved to in progress list. Here you see the full list of suggestions, and you can easily contact the site owner by clicking on the send button, and here we'll provide you with the contact information. This is the list of contacts that we got from third-party sources, because it will help you to find the contacts and easily contact from Semrush. And you can easily create a letter and monitor its status as well. After you acquire a backlink, you can just mark it and look at the existing backlinks in the Monitor tab. The last section in link building is the bulk analysis, where you can compare up to 200 backlinks or URLs by several metrics like authority score, backlinks, numbers, follow, no follow, text, image, form, frame, and even more detailed information about the backlinks. Rank tracking. The main tool here is the position tracking, where you can compare and benchmark your and your competitors' positions for a target set of keywords in any location. So let's open the Booking.com project again. You see that we are looking at US position, but we can switch to other location and add any more. We can track both Google or Baidu in both on the national level or in any location up to the zip code. We are monitoring 143 keywords here, and this is the full list of keywords. For each keyword we show the position of Booking.com and any other domain that we add into the list. So if, for example, Hotel Planner, Expedia, and Caesars.com, and here we can type in any domain or any URL or subdomain and subfolder. We'll track it as well. And if you want to see the overview of our performance, we can look at the visibility trend, because it shows the historical information. Each point represents data for 1 day, and it shows how visible is this particular domain for this set of keywords. If you get first position for each and every keyword, you get 100% visibility. If you are not in top 100 results for any keyword, you're out of this first 10 pages. It means that you have 0% visibility. So we can have a look at the overview, or we can look at the specific pages in a landing pages. For example, for each landing page we can see which keyword this page is ranking for. It can help you to avoid keyword cannibalization, for example, to find which pages are ranked for one keyword, because you can use advanced filters with filtering by keywords. Or you can do competitors discovery to find out your niche competitors for this particular set of keywords. It shows that these domains are the most visible domains for this set of keywords. So it shows that Booking.com in general is on the third place, but TripAdvisor and Expedia are higher. In case you do not know about some of these domains, the Semrush will help you to find competitors. If you want to compare your positions across several locations, you can go to Devices and Location tab, and here we'll compare your positions in US, for example, in desktop compared to Canadian desktop, compared to any other location and device. For example, you can compare mobile and desktop positions in one place. So here is the trend, and here are the positions for each and every keyword in any location, if it's ranking there. Just keep in mind that you can switch from organic results to paid results, and it's a good option to find out who is bidding for your target keywords, for example in competitors discovery. Yeah, you see that Expedia is making paid campaigns for target keywords that we use. And you can always add some triggers if you want to stay in touch in case something extra happens, like For example, if position of your domain is changed on more than 5, or if you leave the top 10 for any keyword, or if some of your competitor get into more than 5 position. So you can use this option to just keep in touch with what's going on with your performance for this set of keywords. The sensor is the tool that that shows the SERP volatility. So it shows if there is a huge change in a lot of a search for a lot of keywords. So in case you see a huge drop and huge changes in position tracking, for example, you can go to sensor and see if there is a huge changes in the industry in general. So you can switch to any industry and see how volatile is this industry right now. So maybe the reason of the volatility is in some Google algorithms, and in this case we'll show it to you. But let's return back. So now let's move on to the on-page and tech SEO. The first one is the site audit. It's the tool that provides with the technical website audit. Let's open the booking.com project again. Here you see that we've crawled 5K pages and we found 3K errors, more than 43,000 warnings and 20,000 notices. There's a huge list of different issues that were triggered by this list of checks. So you see that it's a huge list of different things that we check within the site audit, and they're grouped by their severity. For each issue, we show you the tip, what is the issue and how to fix it. You can see that we have also thematical reports about the issues related to website crawlability, security, hreflang usage, performance, or internal linking structure. And you can have a look at any of these reports to see more details about internal linking, for example, in this case, which pages get more internal link juice, which are getting less internal link juice. Again, all issues and errors are with the additional information here. You can look at the issues in general, open one of them, or even analyze any particular URL and look at what kind of errors were triggered on this URL. The on-page SEO checker is another tool that helps you to improve your SEO performance. The site audit helps you with technical issues and solving these technical problems, so the on-page SEO checker gives you ideas and recommendations on how to rank higher for your target keywords. Again, let's have a look at booking.com project. In the overview, we see that we've added 180 pages, and we got more than 580 ideas on pages optimization. This is the full list of optimization ideas. We see pairs of page and target keyword. That means that we want to optimize this particular page for this keyword or for these two keywords, for example. And they are sorted by the priority that shows how how important and how efficient will be if you use these ideas to optimize this page and how much traffic it will bring to you. You can click on the number of ideas to see the full list of suggestions that we have here. The suggestions are based on your top 10 ranking rivals data. So we analyze top 10 ranking rivals pages, analyze the content, analyze the backlinks, and analyze what kind of text or videos and so on, what do they use, and compare this to your page. So you see that we have ideas about strategy. Maybe you need to use another page for this target keyword. Ideas on SERP feature in case you can get rating or SERP feature snippets, sorry, and what kind of tags and what kind of construction you need to use. Some ideas about content, about different tags, about keyword stuffing in case you got these issues. Semantical suggestions on how to add the relevant keywords to the content of this page. which backlinks we suggest you to acquire from which domains, and technical issues from website audit. If you connect Google Analytics account, we will show you data on user experience as well. SEO Content Template is the tool that helps you to prepare a template for a new page, to create a new SEO friendly page for your target keyword. And listing management is the tool that helps you to create listings in different directories and optimize and keep the information about your listing in consistent mode. The last thing that I want to cover here is the management section, because here we have full list of projects that we have created, and for example booking.com is among the list. So here is the full list of projects available for us. And the important thing that you can do with this project is to share it. So you can click on share, add any email, select the read-only or can edit mode, and then other user will have access to your project for all the tools like backlink audit, link building, position tracking, site audit, on page SEO checker. So you can share this project and work on it together. And My Report is the tool where you can combine data from different parts of Semrush to create one customized PDF report. You can use one of the templates that we suggest or create a report from scratch. For example here, and it's quite easy to use. You just select which widgets you want to see in this interface. Select the logo and just drag and drop this data here. Can be any database. Click OK. Then add some data from other parts like backlink audit, position tracking, site audit, and so on as well. And also if you connect Google Analytics or Google Search Console, you can add data from these sources too. You can add some text or headers, add images, and then click on Generate PDF Report and send it via email or schedule it on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. After you've created this report, you can use it as a template. So if you have prepared a well-looking report with an important list of widgets, you can use it as a template. So you can create a template, and it will be available in your templates library here. That's it in few words about the SEO Toolkit. Again, it's just one of the lists, so I'll recommend you to get acquainted with other tools which are related to your target sphere. In case you have any questions, feel free to use our help section, our help knowledge base, or go to Academy, because in Academy we got a course and we got a certification on SEO Toolkit as well.